Okay. Now in this video we will discuss about how we can connect our Power BI desktop with our SQL Oracle database, which is installed in our system basically. Okay. The main reason behind discussing these things is because if someone wants to practice Oracle and how to generate learn Power BI in our system, so easily they can start learning. Okay, without paying any extra charges or anything. So what you can do, you can just log into your Power BI desktop, and here you can go and just click on this more option. Okay, now if I want to you can see you can from database also you can scroll down. Okay, you see there are a lot of resources from where you can connect. Okay, if you don't want to go here, you can directly search your Oracle. Automatically it will come as here. Okay, you have to click on this Oracle database and just plus button. Okay, now so if you see the lot of options are coming here, what you can do, as it is running on our local system, so you have to just put here your local host server name. Okay, just click on OK button. So what will happen, then it will ask for your username and password. So as whatever username and password of your data users, you can provide it here. Okay, I am providing here as my HR user, and I'll provide my password which is HR, which I have created earlier. Okay, now if you see, like it is showing 12 local host 12, which means all the files are coming here. But as we provided password for HR on user only, so only this HR uh, I can say that the HR schema tables we can view here. Okay, if you see here like employees data, if I want to load here, okay, by clicking on this, I can click on this. If you see all the data which is present in employee table are coming here. Okay, now let me try to load the data here. If I want to load data, what will happen, my data will get loaded of HR from HR schema, and the employees table data will get loaded into my Power BI. Now suppose like next time in case suppose you have done with your changes. Okay, let me cancel it for the time being. Now what will happen, next time if you want to load the data, what will happen, if you again go here. Okay, and once you click on this here and Oracle database Oracle, now if I'm clicking, you will see it will not ask for like if I just provide my local host only, local host only, will happen, it will not ask for whether you want to connect with your HR user or any other user. Okay, now suppose if you want to connect to your TGT user. Okay, so what will happen, if you will see you are not able to see this TGT. So what you can do here, okay, if you want to delete this connection, what you can do, like you can just go to this file option. Okay, in file there is option options and settings, you can go here data source settings. Okay, you see this connection is coming here. If I want to delete, I can just edit permissions. Okay, if I want, I can delete this connection. Okay, and I can just clear permissions, everything will get deleted from here. This card changes, let me click it here. Now let me see if it has been removed or not. You see that connection has been already removed. Now if you want to again go load data, okay, you can go here, you can just select your Oracle database, localhost import. This time it will ask your credential. Okay, so like if I want to connect my TGT schema, you see here I can go and all the tables which is present in my tgt schema are coming here. Okay, so if you want to load any of the data, you can just go and load your data according to your, if you see here it is going preview. If you once you click on this icon, you will able to load the data. So these are looking very simple steps, but I think we all should be aware about these things. Okay. One more thing in Power BI, mainly three views are coming here. If you see, this is report view, this is your table view, which is supposed to see your data, and this is your model view. So in the model view, all the modeling activities can be done. Now if you want to make some changes in your data, like what we can do, this is your core Power Query editor. Here you can just click on this Power Query button. What will happen, your Power Query editor window will get visible. Okay, now if you want to make any of the changes here, suppose you want to change any data or anything you want to do it here, you can do. If you want to remove this column, you can easily remove this column. What will happen then, you will save and apply changes. If you see here, what will happen, let me go to my table view. What will happen, that row has been, that column has been removed. So this way few changes, multiple changes can be done here. So my main goal was to how to create connection of Power BI with your Oracle environment. As in previous video we discussed about how to make connection between Power BI and our Snowflake. Thank you.